Hey, what's going on? YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. This is Mike, the owner of Trushine Cleaning. I'm out at a new client. She doing some carpet. Just one room hallway and a set of stairs. This client was referred to me from his sister, Miss Phyllis. Phyllis, she uses me quite often, at least once or twice a year. So this is my first time working with her brother. So carpet is coming out very, very well. Put my little house shoes on. I've already done the steps. Already done the hallway. Already done that area. So hands gonna work my way on up. While I'm letting that dry, I'm gonna go do a little door to door. Maybe just do just this side all the way around. Just come back around, passing out some door hangers.